sensor.
The Galaxy S21 Ultra's powerful camera experience starts with its upgraded 108-megapixel image sensor. It's optimized to elevate image quality for various shooting environments. In situations with ample lighting, remosaic technology maximizes resolution to produce stunning photos by rearranging and optimizing all of the camera's 108 million pixels according to RGB Bayer patterns. The Galaxy S21 Ultra's new remosaic algorithm uses 2 times more pixels than before to create images with more clarity, detail, and sense of texture. Low light situations provide a more challenging environment. When pixels do not receive enough light, images produce noise, irregular, grainy spots that distort the image. Enter groundbreaking Nona binning technology. At the sensor stage, a set of 9 pixels are combined into one larger pixel, increasing each pixel's surface area for capturing light. This ensures the sensor gets enough light to produce bright, detailed photos, even in darker environments. And in extreme darkness, when even the human eye struggles to see. The S21 Ultra sensor uses AI for a powerful night mode experience. With one press of the shutter, multiple frames are processed at incredible speeds to eliminate noise and blur. Then, countless reams of data collected by the sensor are processed by an internal AI ISP algorithm to identify and preserve the subject's true shape and color tone. This is possible even in conditions of extreme darkness under 0.1 lux. The results are stunning. In the case of backlighting, especially when the subject is in motion, groundbreaking 12-bit HDR combines 2 simultaneously captured 10-bit frames into a single 12-bit output. This process not only eliminates motion blur, but also produces dynamic range 3 times wider than that of 10-bit color.
It is this tight integration of innovative hardware and powerful software that allows us to realize our vision for Galaxy S21 Ultra.
Space zoom on the Galaxy S21 Ultra is a turning point in the zoom experience, offering superb clarity between 1 and 100 times zoom. To improve image quality in the 1 to 10 times zoom range, innovative dual zoom combines mid-range 3 times optical zoom with long-distance 10 times optical zoom to provide an optimized and balanced range of choices. But fitting 10 times optical zoom into the slim body of a smartphone is not easy. To make this possible, 2 precise folds are incorporated into the lens design to minimize thickness and length. Mirrors direct light across sharp angles and pathways to produce pro-level magnification without the need for more lens equipment. The end result is a powerful yet compact double-folded lens that fits perfectly within a small space. From 10 to 100 times zoom, image quality is boosted by powerful super-resolution AI. At one push of the shutter, up to 20 frames are captured and processed at instantaneous speeds. Advanced AI then evaluates and corrects thousands of fine details to produce detailed images even at high magnification levels. And when shooting at high magnifications, Zoom Lock uses intelligent software to set the image in place so you can shoot with minimal shake. The Galaxy S21 Ultra provides hardware and software excellence up to 100 times zoom, but the zoom experience covers more than just long-distance shooting. The 4-lens optical system provides a range of optimized focal lengths, including one for intense macro shots. The S21 Ultra's camera uses its laser autofocus sensor to measure the distance between lens and subject in real time. If an object within 30 centimeters is detected, the camera automatically switches to the new 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, now with autofocus, and applies optimal macro settings for extreme close-ups up to 5 centimeters in distance. Combining top-of-the-line hardware with groundbreaking, newly evolved software, the Galaxy S21 Ultra captures incredible details all with just a press of the shutter.
S21 Ultra offers the best quality video ever on a smartphone. Our S21 Ultra will let you shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second with every lens on your phone. Front, tele, wide, and ultra-wide lens alike. Let's take a look.
I can't take credit for the way my mama raised me. What a woman. She taught me how to be a Wonder Woman.